Hey everybody, I'm with my friend Marley and we are going to do a pinup hairstyle using the Keratin Complex new products that is launching soon. So stay tuned so you can see how we do this beauty's pinup hairstyle. So this is the palette that I'm working with. Her hair was washed before. What I'm going to do is section her hair just behind the ear, and it's going to be a diagonal parting, and I'm going to do that on both sides. You always want to make sure that your parting is nice and clean. So that's what I'm doing right now, is sectioning off the hair, and there will be 3 sections. There's going to be 2 in the front, which will be our victory rolls, and then 1 large section in the back. I'm going to use texturizing spray just to put a little texture in the hair. You can use texturizing spray in 2 ways: before, just to put texture in the hair, and then after to like make the hair piecey. But for this style, I wanted to give the hair a little bit more body for the curl, so I'm spraying the texturizing spray in both the front sections before I curl. Now I'm just sectioning off the hair in about 1 inch with curling sections, and then I'm going to spray the Flex Flow Hairspray by Keratin Complex before I curl each section. After I spray, I'm going to wrap the hair around my 1 inch curling iron, which I'm using as a barrel, and that's the reason for my sections to be 1 inch, because my barrel is 1 inch. For this style, you don't want your sections to be wider than 1 inch, and you want to curl the hair away from the face. That's going to help you when you start to create that victory roll. So make sure that you curl the hair away from the face. Then I'm going to pin curl each section and let it cool down in its shape just to get maximum curl. And I'm going to do that on both sides before I move to the back. Now that both sections are done in the front, I'm going to start in the back using my texturizing spray, and look at how it separated the hair, giving that texture in it. The next step is to curl the back, also going in the same direction. I'm going to part the hair going diagonal back. That way you will not see any sectioning in the hair, and all the hair will go the same direction. So I'm going to do diagonal back all the way to the top. First, I'm going to use my Flex Flow hairspray and then wrap the hair around my 1 inch barrel. And I'm going to do this same step all the way up to the top. Same direction, and then using Flex Flow hairspray, my workable hairspray, before I curl it. Each section I curl, I am going to pin curl it so that it can cool down in its shape. Now that all the hair is curled and has cooled down in the pin curl, I'm going to take everything down and I'm going to brush it out using my Keratin Complex vent brush, which is my favorite vent brush for combing out curls. I don't know, it's just one of my favorites. Then I'm going to use the Firm Hold Hairspray by Keratin Complex to get ready to form the victory roll. Then I'm also using a styling brush, because that's going to smooth all the hair together, and it's just going to kind of comb the Firm Hold hairspray in there. What I love about the hairspray is even though it's firm hold, I'm still able to brush through and kind of manipulate the hair. After I'm done with that, I'm using my comb just to give a little bit of tease behind my victory roll so it has some substance and it helps me keep the hair in shape. And after that is done, it is time to get the hair rolling. Now the key to the victory roll is to start from the ends of the hair and wrap the hair like you're wrapping a roller. So come on, just like Cosmo School, wrap that roller all the way down, slowly creating a smaller shape at the bottom. Just that simple. And once you have any flyaways, or if you have any flyaways, just grab them and keep on rolling, and you will slowly start to see your shape form. So the key at this point is to make sure you're getting your shape that you want to see. And after I rolled the victory roll down, I want to make sure that the ends are kind of sticking out a little bit at the top, meaning I want to see the ends of the curl a little bit, especially because her hair had color at the end. So I just thought it would look nice to make sure that you could see that. Now as I'm creating my shape, one of the rule of thumb is if you are holding the hair, that's where your bobby pin goes. So as you can see, I'm like smoothing the hair out, and wherever I'm holding the hair, that's where I'm placing my bobby pins. So if you're ever unsure how to make the hair secure and you're holding the hair, place it where your hand is and make sure that you can't see your bobby pins. That is like a huge no-no. You don't want to see any bobby pins in your hairstyle. I'm adjusting my shape and making sure I like everything. Another thing with styling is sometimes you have to take a step back and look at the overall balance. So you look in your mirror, you step back and see like what's going on. So I do that all the time when I'm styling hair. I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other side to my next section, and again making sure that my shape and everything looks good. I like to use the back of the can just to smooth out hair because sometimes your hands are sticky. When your hands are sticky, you tend to pick up hair. So let me show you what I did from a different angle. Teasing the back of the victory roll and then going to the ends of the hair. So I'm starting my victory roll from the ends of the hair, rolling it up. Not too worried about the hair that's falling out from the bottom. I'm just going to pick it up as I go, just like you would if you were doing a roller set or rolling a perm. When I get the shape I like, I am placing my bobby pins in there just to secure it, and I'm checking the shape, making sure that the shape is what I want it to be and that it's complementary to the other side. Then once I'm done with that, I will take a step back and start working on the back of the hair. I'm going to take down the pin curls and use my fingers to comb through the hair. Since I use the Flex Flow hairspray, the hair has a lot of movement in it still and it's not hard. Then I'm just going to brush all the curls together, marry them together, and we should be good to go. So that is the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you guys want to see more styling tutorials and learn more about the products that I used. Our girl Marley looks amazing in her pinup hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I drop new videos. And also go join the Glampreneurs at DeandraGiselle.com. That's my website, DeandraGiselle.com. And follow me on Instagram, also Deandra Giselle. I will see you guys next time.